Okay, so here we are with Pedicy and planting his egg tree. Not egg tree, egg tree. So don't just stand there. Lend me a hand, will you? This will become an egg tree. It's very rare. Brought it all the way from England myself. I was asked to plant it in this world. I had to clean herself. Luckily, I ran under her. Ha ha ha. Wait, that should do it. Yeah, I can see it growing already. I guess it will be a sprout for a while, though. My queen told me this tree is no ordinary one. Each time someone says thank you to its owner, it takes a paradation and uses it as energy to grow. And when the sky grows tall, I can go back to the land of Inks. Hey, my work here is done. How about we go check on Potent to see if he is ready yet? If he is slacking off, we should give him a little shove.